Good afternoon, mathematicians, and happy Thursday. I just wanted to record this video to teach you how to create a Zoom account and how to log into it so that you can start attending meetings and possibly creating your own. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to open my preferred internet browser, which is Mozilla. And then you can either Google search Zoom and then hit enter, or you can go up into your address bar up here and type in zoom.com. Either way, that will take you to the website. Now on the site you'll see a few options. Over here you're going to want to sign up if you don't already have an account, so just click sign up, it's free. And here you're going to want to use your at school, so your mdusd.net. I already signed up with my mdusd.net account, so I'm going to use my other school email address. But again, please be sure that you are using your mdusd.net account. So I'm going to type in my Outlook email address just so that I can show you how to create the account. I'll say sign up. Okay, and then it'll tell you that they have sent an email to the email address that you just entered. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my email address. I have it bookmarked here. So let me just type in my information. Okay. And then in just a few seconds, I should have an email from Zoom come up. It may take a few seconds. If you don't see it right away, go ahead and check your junk email down here. It should come up, but they are probably getting a lot of requests right now. But after that happens, you'll have a confirmation link that you can click, and then you can enter it here, and then you can start using Zoom. So for the sake of time in this video, I'll go ahead and sign in with an account that I already have. So I will do my mdusd.net account. Okay, so there's my information for my account. Now notice that there's a personal meeting ID, so whenever I send out notifications to you, maybe for digital office hours, this will be the ID that you are going to enter in Zoom. Just be sure that you're logged in first. And then it has all of your preferences here, so just be sure that all of the settings are the way that you want them. And then if you are interested in joining a meeting, you can click join a meeting. You can schedule a meeting, you can host a meeting. I'll go ahead and do that right now since I don't have anybody to invite to join. So I'm going to do with video on. There's also the option of screen share. I'll show you how that works. Okay. Be sure you say save file to all of these pop-ups. And you'll see up here that it is downloading. So then you can go ahead, open file, and you can say run. Okay. So this is the Zoom platform. If you say join with computer audio, that means your microphone will be picked up. I am not going to do that because you can already hear my voice on this video, so it's going to be a bit confusing to hear that. So I'm just going to close this box, but when you do join the meeting, be sure that you click this button. So for now, I'll click that, and there I am. Okay. You have a few different options here. Let me move that away. Down here, there is an option that says share screen. So if you want to share something that you're working on, maybe on a different screen that you have, you can click this button. And then there are all these different windows that you can choose from. I have another Firefox window open, so you'll see my other tabs here. You can use the whiteboard, you can click that, then that's what the people will see that you're sharing with. Or you can go back to your screen, any of these will work. Okay. So when you're ready to exit the meeting, you can say stop video down here. Okay, that will stop the video. And this will just have your name on the screen. If you want to exit the meeting, over here, you can just say end. Okay, and you have a choice. As the host, I can decide whether I want to end the meeting for everyone, or I can just say I want to leave the meeting and you all can carry on for however long you want. So for now, I'll say end meeting for all. And then this screen right here is your Zoom platform. It tells you the current date and time, which is very helpful. You can join the meeting, create a new meeting, schedule a meeting. This is where I will be scheduling digital office hours. You can share your screen. You can just have a chat on the side, which will pop up over here. Okay. And then you can start chatting, start typing. You can also create a contact list with your friends and classmates and teachers, so that will help you sort of have an address book ready. But other than that, that is basically how Zoom works. Everything else will become more straightforward as we start using the platform, but it is free, and with the free version you get 40 minutes per meeting. So a meeting will last 40 minutes, and then it will kick you out. If you want to continue the meeting, you just type in the join code again, and you can get right back into the meeting for another 40 minutes and keep continuing that process. So that is my introductory video on how to create a Zoom account and how to join. I will also be doing a video on the mobile device. It will be on an iPhone, that is the type of device I own, but it will be similar on an Android or other types of mobile devices. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, email me, comment in my Google Classroom. You know where to find me. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.